Hello everyone and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use critical alarms on the application HMI Control Panel. So critical alarms are available here. The menu for critical alarms are available here in the menu bar in the center. You can find this little icon that is like alert icon. So we press the bar here and slide up and we can have access to the critical alarms menu. From here we can find that in this example that I'm using, the first alarm is active. This alarm will be triggered if any variable of the B0.0 for any memory bank is active. That means if you're using, in this case, this Arduino over Bluetooth, and also you're using an Ethernet board like the Arduino Mega or an ESP32, you can connect. By the way, you can connect more than one device to this app. And if in any of those boards the variable B0.0 is active, is high, it will trigger the alarm. So in this case I have this push button associated to that variable B0.0. If I press that, it will trigger the alarm. So when the alarm is active, you cannot access other widgets until you press the middle of the critical alarm. But the alarm keeps the sound of the alarm keeps running. So in order to mute that alarm sound, we open the menu of the alarms and we press the alarm itself here, and that will mute the alarm. But by the way, the alarm keeps it's still active. So in order to deactivate the alarm, just release, in this case release the button, and it will close the alarm. But if that variable goes high again, it will trigger the alarm. You can change the name of the alarm and the message by pressing this yellow pencil. And from here you can change the name, the message. If you want to activate more alarms, just press this button and that will activate the alarms. Every alarm is associated to a specific variable. Here we can find that the alarm 2 is associated to B0.1. The third alarm is associated to B0.2, and that goes on until the last alarm. Thanks for watching this short video tutorial on how to use critical alarms.